For factoring out the greatest common factor, or the GCF, what I'm looking is to figure out what a common, what the common factor is. What can I divide all of my terms by? So if I take a look at 15xy squared minus 10x cubed y plus 25xy cubed, the first thing I want to look at are the numbers, the 15, the 10, and the 25. What number, if any, can I divide all three of those numbers by? Well, and also, what's the greatest number I can divide them all by? Because obviously I can divide them all by 1, but that doesn't get me anywhere. They're all divisible by 5, so I'm going to take 5 as part of my GCF. Now I want to look at my variables. So I see that everybody has an x. Everybody has at least x to the first power or more. So I'm going to take out an x to the first power because that's the smallest exponent of x I am seeing. With my y's, I have y squared, I have y cubed. So the smallest exponent of y I'm seeing here is just y to the first power. All right, so what I'm thinking of is really division and what's left over. So 15 divided by the 5 gives me a 3. I took that x to the first out. I took one of the y's away, but there were 2, so I'm left with 1. Negative 10 divided by 5 is negative 2. I took one of the x's out. There were 3, so I'm squared. And I took the y away. 25 divided by 5 is, 25 divided by 5 is 5. I took the x away. I took one of the y's away, but there's 2 left over. And if I were to distribute this back, it should give me what I started with.